Great news, guys. I just picked up my Honda from the Honda dealership. I got my fuel injectors replaced for free. If you have a 9th generation Honda Accord, this video might help you save thousands of dollars. My car started misfiring. I was driving last week and all of a sudden my car started losing power. I was stepping the gas and it had no power. My check engine light started blinking, started flashing. So I pulled over to the side. The codes that I got were P0303, which it was telling me it was a misfire. Usually it could be your spark plugs, your ignition coils. I also got another code, P219A, which that's the upstream sensor, oxygen sensor. I also got the P0420, which that usually tells you there's something wrong with the catalytic converter. The reason I was able to get my fuel injectors replaced for free is because my car is still under warranty. If you have one of these cars that have the California PZEV, that means it's a partially zero emissions car. So these cars have warranty up to 15 years or 150,000 miles. So if you have that code, you can check on your booklet. You go on the back and you see here. So you qualify under warranty C. And it looks like this warranty covers a lot of emission problems. It'll cover your catalytic converter if it goes bad, your fuel injectors if they go bad, O2 sensors. So yeah, guys, check the warranty. So after I started having that problem, I started troubleshooting, and what I did is I bought a new spark plug and a new ignition coil, and the problem didn't go away. So that told me that I had a bad fuel injector. I took it to Honda, and when you take it to Honda, they have to run a diagnostics. And if your problem is covered by the warranty, then they won't charge you a fee. But if they find out that maybe you have a bad head gasket or something else, you're gonna have to pay $200 just for them for running a test. Luckily for me, my car was under warranty and those $200 were waived. So yeah, just take your car to Honda. Make sure you know that you're having a problem with something that's covered. That way you won't have to pay them $200. Or even if you just want to know what's wrong with your car, just take it to Honda. They will be able to help you. The process only took one day. I went there at 8 a.m. I dropped it off, and by like 12 p.m., the technician called me, letting me know that the car was gonna get fixed under warranty. So I ended up picking up the car by end of the day, which was like at 6 p.m., and it was ready to go. And it's been running fine. So yeah, guys, just check your warranty, and hopefully this video helps you out. And drop a comment and let me know if you knew about this warranty.